Your AI coding agent understands your codebase the slow way. It grabs and reads file after file to trace what calls what. On a big repo, that is slow, and it burns through tokens and context. Codebase memory fixes that. It indexes your whole repo into a graph your agent can query in one call. Open source. Pure C. 27,000 stars. So what is it? It is a code intelligence server that plugs into the agent you already use. It parses your entire codebase and builds a persistent knowledge graph of your functions, classes, and call chains. It is a single static binary with zero dependencies, 100% local, no API keys, and no cloud. Here is your repo as a graph. Every function and class is a node. Every call is an edge. It reads 158 languages using tree-sitter and sharpens the result with a built-in type layer for the major ones. Your agent queries this instead of grepping. Getting started is one line. This installer detects the coding agents you already have, Claude Code, Codex, Gemini Z, and more, 11 in all, and wires each one up. Then restart your agent and just say, index this project. Now the payoff. You ask, what calls ProcessOrder? Your agent calls the trace path tool with directions set to inbound. The server runs one graph query and hands back the exact call chain in plain English. One call instead of dozens of grab and read cycles. That is the whole idea. And the savings are real? The project reports that 5 structural queries used about 3,400 tokens versus 412,000 exploring file by file. That is roughly 99% fewer. It indexed the Linux kernel, 28 million lines of code in 3 minutes, and it answers queries in under a millisecond. 14 tools, all local. So that is codebase memory. A fast local map of your codebase your agent can actually query. It works with the agent you already use across 158 languages. Pure C, MIT licensed, 27,000 stars. One line to install. Find it on GitHub.